Hello everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time of seeing my video, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how I roasted this peanut with salt. To fry the peanut, add enough salt to the pan, enough to cover the bottom of the pan, and heat it up over medium to medium high heat for a few minutes until it is hot. Within 2 to 3 minutes, the salt should be hot and ready. But another way to check it is to hover your hand over the pan. Once you feel the heat, you know it is hot enough. So add the peanuts to the salt and start the frying process. In case you're wondering if I salted the peanut before frying it, yes I did. I blanched it in hot salty water for about 5 minutes, then spread it out to dry. If you have never fried peanuts before, it is very important to know you have to babysit it. It is not something you walk away from. Of course, at each interval you can rest a little bit, but you have to stir it continuously so that there will be no burnt spot. If you let the peanut sit on one side for a long time, it's gonna be darker than the other side. So you have to frequently stir it. So if this is your first time of seeing my video on Facebook, or you have seen my videos and you're not following me, please click the follow button to follow me for more amazing recipes. Like and share the video, invite your friends, and leave a comment. Once the peanuts have developed some color, once in a while check to see if it is ready by peeling off the skin. If it does not come off easily, that means it is not ready. If it comes off easily, it is ready. So when it is not ready, continue to fry and be checking frequently. So let us check it one more time. As you can see, it is ready. It came off easily. Let's check another one. See, it is ready. So the total cooking time was 13 minutes. Once the peanut is ready, I'm going to separate the peanut from the salt by sifting out the salt. I'm gonna try to shake off any excess salt from the peanuts. Then I'm gonna spread the peanuts out to cool down. Once the peanut cools down, I'm gonna take off the skin by rubbing it off like so. Then separate the skin from the peanut. When I'm done, I'm gonna store it in an airtight container. If you want to watch more amazing recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and you can also visit my website. Thank you so much. So if you're a peanut lover and you want to roast or fry your peanut by yourself, why don't you give this method a try? I promise you, you're gonna enjoy it. It is crunchy and delicious. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.